Now let's prepare our onions. Of course, these are onion rings, so we have to have onions. So we need to peel this, and we have our trusty waste plate. So we're going to just cut one end off here, cut another end off there. Let's take that and dump that in the waste plate. Let's slice down one side, just maybe one layer, but that's about it. I'm gonna cut that layer there. Let's peel the top off because we're not going to use that. Okay, so now we're peeled. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut horizontally down, and we're going to cut half-inch slices, roughly half-inch slices. So let's do that real quick. Take our knife. I mean, I don't have a ruler, but it's like so. Like so. We got to try not to break them like this broke, because we want them to be round, rings, onion rings. So they have to be round. So this broke, so this is useless to me, but that's okay. I'm going to cut down, just be careful. See, some of the outside parts are breaking, but still, this is still good here. We don't want the broken ones, unfortunately. So we're going to cut down again, just be careful. And once again, it's broke here, but the rings inside aren't, so that's good. So we can put that aside. Just one more slice down the middle. Okay, that's all right. These aren't any good, but these are. So, and also we have these right here, and we have these. So now what we're going to do is we're going to very carefully separate the rings. So let's do that real quick. You gotta be very careful because we want them to be intact. So here's one. Just try to, there you go. Here's another ring. There's another ring. Obviously, as you get to the middle, they get smaller, but that's okay. They all taste good. And that's a little too small, so that's kind of useless. So we'll put that in there. I'm going to pull this apart. So we have some nice rings here. So here's another. Okay, well, you get the idea. I'm going to finish these up, and then we're going to go on to our next step.